How to reply a specific message on WeChat. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you reply to a specific messages on WeChat. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application WeChat with your account. Alright, so after you open the WeChat with your account, you'll got such interface. So from the chat section, you'll have to just choose the conversation from where you want to reply to a specific message. So in my case, I will choose this one. Alright, so after you open the conversation, you'll have to just tap and hold that message from where you want to reply. So simply I am holding this one. Alright, so after you hold it, you'll get options like code. So simply tap on the option code, and now from here you can easily reply to that message from this code section. So this is the easiest and simplest method to reply specific message on WeChat. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.